Hello everyone. We took my friend to have his surgery and they're gonna text me when he's done. But here's why everybody's kind of quiet. That's not the big one. You can hear it making noises. That's one of the babies. There's 4 of them all together. That one's not near as big as the one that's usually over here. You hear it? Well, there's 2 babies and 2 parents. And that one's probably, he's half the size of the other one, of the father. It's pretty nice, a little cloudy, but chances are there won't be many birds feeding, while he or she is sitting up there, but that's fine. I wish it would fly or something. I probably won't have a bird cam until I see some birds out here or something, because they're scared to feed. So maybe it'll go up to this other power pole later on. A little breeze blowing, it feels good. The heat, I just can't keep up with it with some of the things in my garden. This spaghetti squash takes so much water because it's so long. I'll bet it's 50 foot long if you unraveled it. And I gave it water 3 times yesterday, and I still have some that died. If you can see right over here how it looks where that one little squash is. I hope the little squash doesn't die too, but the vine died. And there's another place over there that did the same thing. I've already given it water this morning, probably close to half a gallon. It's just too hot. Too hot and miserable. He's just looking around, he or she. I don't know how good you can see it. I wish it would move around a little bit. But you gotta figure, those poles are perfect for them to, get a good eye of what's going on around the area. just standing on that hill you can see quite a bit, much less be on top of that pole. So they're smart. Well, I'm not going to make this too long. I've got a lot of things to do, and then when my friend Cliff's surgery's over, we got to go pick him up. And I told him, he's going to drive home, but I told him we'd follow him home to make sure he's okay. So I hope y'all enjoyed this. Please press like and subscribe if you hadn't already. Hit that notification bell so that you get all my videos as soon as they come out. Y'all have a great day, and I'll see you later on. Bye-bye.